Okay, boys and girls, here we have the basic Coupe R2, old style, very good working condition. And the old style is, of course, run as you put product in. Load that up. I don't know if you can see that blade down in there or not, but there it is. As you close this lid, it engages that pin via the lid, and so as soon as you shut the lid, the motor engages as the pin inserts down at the bottom from the rotation up at the top. Here's the beginning of the rotation. So I load it with my product and rotate that lid through the pin. Engages the unit, and you can see, hopefully, R2 blade spinning, ready to chop potatoes, tomatoes, radishes, cabbages, French fries. You guys know all about that good stuff. So I'm not going to put any veggies in. I don't want to clean it again. It's all cleaned up and ready to go. So again, if I want to, very quiet, I want to stop it, you just turn the lid, and that will either turn it on or turn it off. It's a great safety mechanism built in on these early models that a lot of the finer chefs still insist on or would rather go back to, rather than buttons and inexperienced people loading stuff, putting stuff in, or taking that lid off, and bad things happen. So again, engage the lid, engages the machine. You want to get in there, you got to turn it off, and it just pops off, etc., etc. There's a good look at your blade. Really good condition, Coupe RG2 blade. Mechanisms below, real simple to clean, as you guys know. Boom, boom, boom. It's a D-shaped, so any D-shaped knives will fit on that. And there you go. That just pops on and off too. Real easy, real simple, easy to clean, easy to maintain. Pretty expensive, however, as you guys know. And so, looking around the unit, there it is, the base, the continuous feed attachment, and those pushers and everything are perfect. There's nothing broken on this. A lot of times you get these parts, the latches, and especially the pins, sometimes on older units, can be problematic. So this one has no broken parts on that continuous feed. This one ring, which here's the top plate, here's the base, and inside the motor's great. I've run this motor for an hour without any problems. But this ring, you can see, is chipped here, chipped there, chipped over here, cracked, chipped there, and again here. So several chips in this old ring, and this one plastic ring goes all the way around, and has been repaired with 3M plastic epoxy, and it's pretty sturdy at this point, but not perfect. So really, I think I'm just going to sell that base separately as the motor, the base, and the top plate, which is about $500 worth of stuff, or more, probably more like $650. I'm going to sell that separately. We'll sell the continuous feed unit separately. And then I've got this third continuous feed unit, same thing for the R2, old style lid. Engage it, boom, pin. Whoops. This pusher rod really doesn't go with it, although it is for an R2N. I'm sorry, it's not an R2N, it's an R2. There, that's flush now. You can see that pin and mechanism, same thing. Sorry about this camera work, not the best in the world. As you can see, I move that, slide it up, and the pin goes down as that goes through. So, not too hard. Takes a light touch there on the lip of the cover. It's missing this center cover. And again, this would be more of an open for your carrots and longer celery and type stuff. Slam that down in through this top continuous feed. Again, this one's in perfect shape, not a problem on it. There's the bottom of the pin. You can see that pin is what's pushed down by that upper unit that engages the motor. And so good, clean fun. There it is. Nothing wrong with it. Other than the cracks on this ring, which can be replaced. I still replace that ring. Or actually, I'm sorry. Yeah, you'd have to find another unit, used unit, to replace that ring, or use as it is, or use the motor for parts, etc., etc. Thanks for looking. Give me a buzz if you got any questions, and there it is.